Hey guys, what's happening there? I'm here at the Saint-Michel-Montreal-Nord train station here in Saint-Michel. Here we're on Peanut Boulevard, and I'm here to show you guys the Saint-Michel-Montreal-Nord train station. And let me tell you, it's a blizzard out here. Like, I mean, we got a big snowstorm last time, man. We're supposed to get 50 centimeters, man. Yeah. So let's make our way inside. You know, that's the good thing about this line, is that all the stations, they have these shelters. So on cold days like this, I can stay inside and warm up. That's the positive about these stations. Woo! Man, the wind is like blowing towards me. Oh boy. Yeah, you have your Support de Vélo here, your bike station. Beautiful art there. Alright, let's make our way in. Oh fuck, the door's frozen. Alright, so here we are. There you go. See the elevator? I made a video of that already. See this. The door's jammed shut. Can't get out. Can't open. Alright. So this is where we are right now. Your schedule. Let's make our way upstairs. Sorry, my boot things are untied. Give me a second here. Okay. Alright. Go. Look this way. I'll go up. Yeah, this is very nice right here. Very beautiful. See? Yeah, it's tile. It's painted tile. Freaking lace. Okay, that better not happen again. Alright. Here's your place for your get your ticket. You know, let me put my gloves on. I'm gonna bravely go outside. Alright, let's do this. Let's make our way out. Yeah, so here's your platform here. Oh boy, oh boy. Well, at least I'm not going with, I'm not walking against the wind. I'm going, I think, with it, I think. It's your shelter. It almost looks like it's actually going to topple over very soon. It looks like that. Yeah, here's your wheelchair ramp, wheelchair access. Here's a major construction company, EBC, EBEC, I don't know. And you can tell it snowed a lot when the snow is very, like, I don't know, let's just say thick, because, like, the wind blows it everywhere, you know. It's all deserted here. No one's here. Yeah, the station opened in 2014. It's gonna be 6 years, man. Saint-Michel-Montreal-Nord. let's make our way to the parking lot and then we'll end it over there. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The wind is freaking blowing good, man. Montreal-Mascouche. Trying to walk fast, and this is in Boulevard Industrial Boulevard there. Yeah, I'm trying to walk fast, that way I can finish up very quickly. That way I can get back inside and warm up. I mean, it's not too cold, but with the wind and everything, it's cold. It's cold. Man, I have to walk all the way over there. Now, you know, for the fun of it, let's just run. Let's run a bit. It's not easy to run in the snow here. Fuck. Alright. Yeah, see? Got some trucks, graders. Yeah, can't see anything. Visibility is very poor. Alright, we're gonna go down here and end it. But that's the thing, is that this parking lot is all the way over here. Okay. Oh boy. Yeah. Here's your other ticket machine. You're displaying your parking. Okay, so that's it, guys. The Saint-Michel-Montreal-Nord train station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And here's the Saint-Michel-Montreal-Nord train station in photos. Thank you.